Instagram announced the Edits app a couple of months ago, and now finally, Edits and Instagram app is out. As you can see, now this is the app icon. This is how it looks like. I install the app over here. This is the app. As you can see, my icons are all light mode, and this is how this icon looks on light mode. Let's see if the icon changes on the dark mode or not. So I will go to the customize and choose the dark mode, and the icon is same as you can see over here. White is not changing. Okay, now it is changing. As you can see, the icon is same. And well, let's dive into the app and see what this app is all about. So over here I am into the Instagram app. It's a video editing app known as Edits. Now when you open the apps, you are into this over here known as Ideas. You can add stickies, which means you can add idea regarding a reel. So like if you want to make any reel, you can quickly grab an idea. For example, reel about shortcuts or anything, whatever you want, and you can add this idea over here. So for you don't miss anything, you can tap plus over here. You can change the color. You have multiple options available. Looks very nice, very pretty. So couple of options available over here. So you can add stickies over here. Now this section is the saved, where you saved your reels that you want to watch later or something. And then there's a collection of your saved reels. Back to the ideas. Now the next tab is about inspiration tab. So over here you can take inspiration from different reels. You can tap on the inspiration over here, and you can also switch to the following over here. So only the reels that you follow will come over here, which is also very nice. You have the option to use audio from here, and also you can create a note regarding that reel. So basically this is all about the inspiration. um Make something like this. So just want to see what happens with this one over here. So it creates a sticky note with it. Don't refreshes over here, but it is over here. Now the next tab is about your project. So whatever you add over here, tapping the plus button let you grab stuff from your camera roll. You want to add pictures or videos, whatever you want to do. Now this is where you can capture stuff. We will go to here or later, but let's talk about this insight one. Over here, it is the insights regarding your reels and like whatever you are posting, how many people are watching, how many people are liking it. Everything is over here in the insights section. Now let's see what is this offering. Now this is the camera action. From here, you can start shooting the video, and you can do 1x zoom, you can go for 2x zoom, you can also go for the 5x zoom even in the selfie camera. As you can see, now over here you have the option to turn on the flash. You can switch the cameras from here, as you can see, and from here you can add from the camera roll, and over here you can choose the camera resolution. So if I tap over here, I have multiple options over here. I can go to the 2K with 60 frames, as you can see. I can go to the HD with HDR 60 frames, and we have other multiple options over here. I can go to the 4K with HDR and 60 frames. 60 frames is not with HDR, as you can see. For the HDR, I need to go to select the 30 frames, and it looks nice, by the way. Or I can also go for the 2K or HD. Even in HD there is HDR, but in 2K there is no HDR along with the 4K. So yeah, multiple resolutions options available over here. Now let me switch the camera over here. And now when I switch the camera, I have also like another option available of wide camera. So for example, if I want to go to wide, something like this, I have more room to shoot. As you can see, I can go up to 5x with this iPhone 16 model. Again, with the 4K, I have options available. Now with the rear camera, I can also shoot HDR with the 4K 60 frames, but I cannot do this with a selfie camera. It will not be HDR with the selfie camera. No, some options are available over here too. Now let's explore these options. Now, number one is the music over here. You can add any sort of music that you want to add. It will also show the saved music if you have any saved music, and yeah, a lot. And then there is a timer. If you want to add timer to capture, click, quite simple. And there is this another enhancement button that will enhance the quality, although I cannot see much of the difference, but there might be. And then you can also go to the back screen. You can use this green screen for the selfie camera and change the background. You can add any sort of background from here. And let's see if that is available for the yes, change camera is also available for the rear camera, as you can see. And I can add back anything in the background. So yeah, it is also very, very nice. So this is all the edits app, how it looks like. No, let's shoot something and edit that. So I'm shooting over here, as you can see, in a wide camera. Let me, yeah, show you something like this. I am able to shoot. So this is like a 10-second footage I shot, and this footage is in the bottom. So what I need to do is like tap on the next button over here. Now from here I can edit this footage that I just shot it. There is again audio option available. I can add music or anything. There are text option available. There are multiple text stuff available. There are different sort of fonts available. Wide range of fonts is available, which is very nice. Most of the fonts you will be like familiar with, which is very nice again. Then you can add color of the fonts. You can change. You can go to any color because sliders are given over here, so you can choose any color. You can also choose this top to pick up the color from the video. Very nice. You can give animation to your text. You can make it typewriter, jump, or wheels, step, fade, float, or multiple options available, as you can see. Now over here, you can also make it look more attractive, like multiple template options available with the text, which I really like it. For example, I don't know how to zoom it. Let me add something over here. Hello, subscribe, I do return, something like this. Now I can, take this for the full video or whatever I want. There's a text to speech also available over here, which is gonna be very nice. So you have multiple options available. It will speak whatever is on the screen, whatever you write. That is also nice, completely for free. If I go back to the text again, or maybe choose this over here, I have edit option, and again I can go over here or go over here. I can choose the digital one. This is how it is gonna look like. So yeah, multiple options for the editing text is available, which I really, really like. Now there is voice available. You can also record any sort of voice over on this. So yeah, this is gonna be very useful. So you can just shoot the video and record the voiceover later. Quite nice. And I'm gonna, let's see, I'm not gonna listen it, but you can select that and you can do like, you can voice, you can give it effect. Very nice, amazing features are available over here. Now let me go to the captions. You can also go to the captions. You can generate from voiceover, or you can generate that from videos. Let me generate them from voiceover. So now it is generating captions from the voiceover and any sort of voiceover. So yeah, this is very good. So you can just shoot the video and quite amazing, really. So that is also completely free, which is very nice. But there is an overlay option available over here. Like if I'm gonna add anything, I can add more stuff to overlay. Maybe I'm gonna add this picture over here. It is loading the media, and now I can add it. It's like picture in picture mode, and I can do a lot of stuff with that too. I can change it, mirror it, duplicate it, and do lot of other stuff. Quite nice over here. Now there is sound effects available, different sort of effects to make your videos more attractive. That option is also available over here. You can add cutout on your screen, just like pictures to pictures from here, and at the end you can add stickers. You can search any sort of stickers. For example, let me search coffee, and I can do something coffee sticker over here. Now this is really going to be my favorite editing app when it comes to editing on a phone, because there are multiple options available with the text, and you can do a lot of stuff with this. And there is export option also available. You can export it as HD, a 2x, or even also 4K. Let me export this one over here, something like this, and it is exporting 10-second 4K video with a picture in a picture, a bit of a text, bit of a voiceover, and a one sticker. And it took like couple of seconds to export it, maybe a half a minute. And then let me give access to, you can directly share to Instagram from here or to the Facebook from here. So yeah, this is all with the Edits app, a very nice app, very useful app, offer a lot of stuff over here. If you have any query about the Edits app, let me know in the comment section below. And I hope to catch you guys in the next one. Until then, take care. Peace out.